Have you ever wondered how people make money online? It's a question that crosses many minds in this digital age. But what if we told you that making money online is not as daunting as it seems? That's right. Anyone, yes, anyone, can do it with the right knowledge and tools. Today we will delve into the world of online income streams, exploring the steps to not just dip your toes, but to dive headfirst into this exciting pool of opportunities. From finding a profitable niche, creating a solid platform, building a dedicated audience, to finally monetizing your platform, we've got it all covered. But remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about understanding the process, putting in the work, and being consistent. It's about unlocking secrets that successful people rarely share with the world. In the next few minutes, you will learn the secrets of online money making that successful people rarely share with the world. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? The first step to making money online is finding a profitable niche. Now, what's a niche, you ask? It's simply a specialized segment of the market you're aiming to cater to. The importance of a niche can't be overstated. It's like setting your GPS before embarking on a journey. It gives you direction, focus, and a clear target. Let's talk about some examples of profitable niches. Fitness and wellness, personal finance, and home decor are just a few niches that have proven to be quite lucrative. But remember, choosing a niche is not just about profitability. It's also about your passion and knowledge in the area, as well as the market demand. Are you passionate about healthy living? Do you have a knack for budgeting or interior design? Is there a demand for these services? These are questions you need to answer when choosing your niche. Remember, the right niche can make or break your online money-making journey. The second step is creating a platform where you will sell your products or services. Now there's a plethora of options out there, each with its own strengths and limitations. Let's delve into a few. First off, we have blogs. Blogs are fantastic for those who have a way with words. They're relatively easy to set up and can be a great way to share your expertise or passion. However, they can take time to gain traction and require consistent content updates. Next, there's the YouTube channel route. This visual platform is perfect for those who prefer to communicate through video. It's user-friendly and has a massive audience. But remember, quality content is key here, and achieving that can be time-consuming. Finally, we have online stores. If you're selling a physical product, this is a no-brainer. They're professional and convenient for users, but they do involve some technical setup. Your platform is your online storefront, so make sure it's attractive and easy to navigate. The third step is building an audience for your platform. This isn't a task to be taken lightly, as your audience is the lifeblood of your online venture. But how do you attract these essential visitors? Let's delve into a few strategies. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a key player. By strategically using keywords and creating high-quality content, you can appeal to the algorithms that dictate search engine results. This can significantly increase your visibility online, attracting more visitors to your platform. Social media marketing is another powerful tool. By sharing engaging content and interacting with your followers, you can effectively build a community around your brand. This not only increases your audience size but also fosters loyalty, which can be extremely beneficial in the long run. Lastly, consider email marketing. By providing valuable content directly to your audience's inboxes, you can keep them engaged and coming back for more. Without an audience, you won't have anyone to sell to, so don't underestimate the importance of this step. The final step is monetizing your platform. Now that you've found your niche, created your platform, and built your audience, it's time to turn your efforts into a lucrative venture. There are several ways to make money online, each with its own strategies and benefits. First, consider selling products or services. This could be anything from an ebook about your chosen niche, to a course teaching your audience a useful skill, or even physical merchandise. The key here is to ensure that what you're selling provides real value to your audience. Remember, your audience trusts you. Don't break that trust by selling subpar products or services. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service by a third party in exchange for a commission on any sales made through your referral. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or service. Instead, you can leverage the work of others to earn a profit. Just make sure to choose products or services that align with your niche and your audience's interests. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your platform. Companies pay you to post content that promotes their brand or product. However, be selective about the sponsorships you accept. You want to maintain your authenticity and only promote products and services you truly believe in. Ads are a classic way to generate income online. By allowing ads on your platform, you can earn money each time a visitor views or clicks on them. While ads can be a steady source of income, they may also clutter your site and detract from the user experience. So, use them wisely. To maximize your income, consider diversifying your income streams. Don't rely on just one method. Instead, mix and match these methods to create multiple revenue streams. Additionally, work on optimizing your conversion rates. This involves fine-tuning your sales funnel to convert more visitors into paying customers. Now that you know the steps to making money online, it's time to take action. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you feel empowered to start your online money-making journey. Let's take a moment to recap. We started by identifying a profitable niche. Remember, passion coupled with market demand is a recipe for success. Then we moved on to creating a platform, your own little corner on the internet. It could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even an online store. Next, we talked about building an audience. This is where your unique voice and valuable content come into play. Finally, we discussed monetizing your platform through various methods like affiliate marketing, selling products or services, or even through advertising revenue. The world of online income is vast and ever-changing. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, start implementing these steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and share this video with your friends who might also be interested in making money online. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey today.